Trust's gradual development hinges upon consistent actions and open communication. Partners must engage in honest discussions about their emotional needs and expectations while actively listening to each other. Over time, these conversations replace apprehension with reassurance, forming an atmosphere where vulnerability is welcomed rather than feared. In this nurturing environment, individuals are empowered to express their feelings, share their insecurities, and work through misunderstandings together, creating a solid foundation for trust to thrive. Thus, the cycle of building trust becomes an enriching process of shared experiences and growth. As partners navigate their relationship, acknowledging and addressing conflicts becomes essential to building trust. Rather than avoiding disagreements, they learn to engage with respect and compassion. When partner A expresses a concern, partner B listens attentively, validates their feelings, and strives to understand their perspective. This willingness to confront issues head-on reinforces the belief that their bond is strong enough to withstand challenges, paving the way for deeper emotional connection and mutual growth. Each resolved conflict serves as a building block, creating a more resilient foundation of trust. Establishing trust is an evolving process that benefits from a mindful approach to emotional intimacy. As partners explore their vulnerabilities, they create shared moments that reinforce their commitment to one another. Emphasizing active listening, responsiveness, and unconditional support helps each partner feel valued and understood. By acknowledging each other's fears and concerns during challenging times, they foster an environment of healing where trust flourishes. Moreover, communication becomes a powerful tool for maintaining this trust, as it encourages transparency and reduces misunderstandings. The journey towards deeper trust is continuous, requiring patience and a genuine desire to nurture the relationship. As partners engage in this journey of trust building, they discover the importance of emotional availability. Both individuals must remain present and responsive, allowing for raw and honest exchanges of thoughts and feelings. This openness nurtures a climate of acceptance in which fears can be voiced without judgment. As conversations unfold, the repetitive pattern of empathetic listening cultivates a stronger bond, encouraging both to embrace vulnerability and, in turn, enhancing their connection. Each act of understanding reinforces the trust that allows them to tackle life's uncertainties together, resulting in a relationship that thrives on mutual dependence and shared aspirations. Amidst these conversations, small acts of kindness also play a crucial role in cultivating trust. When partner A surprises partner B with their favorite snack after a long day, or when partner B sends a reassuring text before a challenging meeting, these gestures communicate thoughtfulness and care. They serve as reminders that each partner values the other's happiness, reinforcing the emotional bond between them. These moments, while seemingly mundane, accumulate over time, shaping the pervasive sense of trust that underpins their relationship. In moments of tension, when emotions run high, the ability to remain calm becomes vital. For instance, during a disagreement about future plans, partner A might express frustration, while partner B takes a deep breath and responds with empathy rather than defensiveness. By choosing to understand and validate partner A's feelings, partner B nurtures trust, showing that their commitment to the relationship will prevail despite the conflict. This approach not only diffuses the immediate tension, but also reinforces the notion that their relationship is resilient enough to embrace both joy and sorrow. In addition to developing trust through consistent behavior, the role of vulnerability cannot be overlooked. When partners allow themselves to be emotionally open, it encourages a reciprocated sense of safety. For instance, if partner A shares a deeply personal story, that act of genuine sharing invites partner B to reveal their own experiences, strengthening the bond between them. This exchange creates a profound connection where both individuals recognize their shared humanity, further solidifying their trust in one another. Recognizing that they can be their true selves without fear fosters an atmosphere where trust can flourish, ultimately enhancing the relationship's intimacy and depth. Through these interactions, partners gradually build a solid foundation of reliability and care. Each moment spent together, regardless of how trivial, becomes a thread in the intricate tapestry of trust. Sharing laughter during lighthearted moments or leaning on one another during challenges transforms their daily experiences into milestones that deepen their relationship. As they navigate life's complexities, their commitment to maintain trust becomes a guiding principle, allowing them to grow not just individually but as a unified front. The ongoing journey toward understanding and empathy exemplifies their determination to foster an enduring bond, ultimately creating a lasting environment of emotional security. Amid this journey, trust is further enriched through acts of forgiveness. When mistakes arise, as they inevitably do, each partner must recognize the importance of acknowledging errors and extending grace. For example, if partner A inadvertently overlooks an important date, partner B could respond with understanding rather than resentment. This willingness to forgive acts as a reinforcing force, allowing the relationship to grow even stronger and fostering a climate where trust can continue to thrive. In conclusion, the journey of trust building culminates in a resilient partnership characterized by mutual respect, care, and understanding. As partners navigate both challenges and joys, they develop a profound emotional foundation that empowers them to face life's uncertainties together, ultimately creating a sustainable and nurturing bond. Subscribe to the Relationship tab for calm, thoughtful relationship education.